Okay, today I have a 2014 Nissan Rogue 2.5 liter engine, and you know the Dipstick, the transmission Dipstick is just a cab and no Dipstick. And to check the transmission level, you need to even drive the car is better, or turn it on for like 15-20 minutes until it gets hot, like between 150 and up, and then you're gonna shift the transmission to reverse the drive and take all shifts, and then you're gonna raise up the car, level it up, and then this is 14mm bolt. Lose it. Transmission, lose this bolt. And if you see in ribbon, this you have much fluid there. If it's not ribbon, yeah, have much. The owners add like 2-3 quarters more, so you need to let it drip until you see just very tiny drip. Then this is the proper level. And if it's nothing, if it's not dripping any fluid, need to add some from the top until you see it's dripping fluid from the bottom here. See, this is too much. Wow, you probably add like 3 quarts. So now you let it drip until you see very tiny drip, then your level is good. Some people buy the aftermarket or the Dipstick, Nissan Dipstick from Amazon, but I don't trust that. If you don't have Dipstick, you're gonna have this book. Thank you for the older model. We didn't have this option for the older model. I'm not sure, but this is how you check it. I believe maybe 2014 and up, I guess. Now, see, when it starts to dribble a little bit. Almost there. Because the CVT transmission is very sensitive. It's not like automatic transmission. If you have much or less, it will mess up the transmission from shifting or slipping. Again, this is a 14mm socket. I think now we're good. Just a little bit, very tiny. Yeah. Let's see. Just 10 more seconds. Yeah, now it's good. See that? Now it's good. That's it. Please like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just comment below.